What is going on, guys? Ghost here, and today we're back for another vlog. And as soon as I got the camera out, walked outside, it is raining. It is a rainy, crappy fall day. But I've seen on the news that some places and stuff had like a snow or ice storm or something, so I'll take rain over snow any day. But today we got to Durango. I had to like be real quiet getting the keys and stuff because they were in Katie's purse. But we're still in her, I guess you could say, we're still in her Durango and taking it and having exhaust work done. Now, I attempted this before, but I had to get an X-pipe for it. And, hang on, wait. I've got the X-pipe. This is a 3-inch all the way through X-pipe. So we're going to have the middle section of the muffler completely removed. The thing is huge, so we're going to get rid of that. But we'll still have kind of like the resonator and muffler type deal in the very back. So it shouldn't be too loud, but enough to give it a little bit of a rumble. We went and we took the Cummins to a cruise on Mercer Street. If you know anything about West Virginia, Mercer County, you definitely know where Mercer Street is. And we took that and like it was just echoing the whole entire street. It was beautiful, loved it. And she wanted it. She was like, man, I really wish the Durango was out. So as soon as we got back home, I ordered that. She don't know I ordered it. It was killing her because she's like, what's in that box? I wouldn't tell her. So she don't know we're doing this today. But we're going to basically take and get the exhaust put on it. She don't know about it. So we'll surprise her when we get back and stuff. Now I have come to a conclusion. I don't really like the whole push button and everything. I'd rather have a key so you can just turn it, but we're going to crank it. It's actually not that loud, but when you get on it, you can hear it pretty good. So we're going to get ready and rock and roll. Bam. So let's get this puppy and get a little bit more of a rumble to it. So you gotta replace. I'm trying to find, yeah, that right there.
Yeah, that's what we're changing her with.
Sweet.
So I have to add some pipe.
That's a big old muffler. It's like.
Yeah. Well, it works with the other parts of your exhaust back there.
Yeah. A straight pipe. Looks good. Things still be good.
A little bit with when I tap them.
So much better. So much better.
Well, it was.
Yeah.
Somebody had to touch it.
It looks good though when everything's set. That thing is like we went to that. Well, from that ugly thing to that. Look at that. Perfect.
Yeah, it's going to come out.
It's like the moment of truth. right, so we are heading back to the house. I just got a message from Katie, and she was like, "Where are you at?" And I told her that I'm on my way back. I had to run my mom to Bluewell so she could pay her water bill or something like that, which I actually did have to stop, so I'm not lying. But she don't know yet, so when I get home, I'm gonna tell her, "Hey, let's run to Walmart or something like that," so she can hear it and everything. I'm not gonna tell her. I might let her drive, but this thing where it's a 6-speed and you go downhill, it actually holds you back, and you can actually hear it. You know, it sounds good and everything, and it's, well, you can't really hear it too good in here, but you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear that, but I bet you it sounds good outside. So we'll have to get some like flyby shots and everything like that. But I'm like extremely happy and stuff. And big thanks to my cousin. He actually did the exhaust and everything. I've got the Cummins exhaust done there, and just really good at doing exhaust and everything. So big shout out to him. But we're going to head on to the house and everything and see if she knows the difference. She 100% does not know what I did. This does not know all like fake like planned stuff. She does not know. So she's either going to like it, she's either going to say it's too loud or not loud enough, or she likes it or she don't like it. So there's 4 options. But that muffler back there, as you can see, is not going back on though. So let's hope she likes it. All right, clear my way. Rock and roll. Fast and Furious so here. Give us a good one for the old floor. See what this thing.
I don't like it when it's red and when it's wet. Why does it sound different?
Oh my gosh! You finally realized why it sounds different. I did not borrow your vehicle to I did not borrow your vehicle to literally go take mom and pay her water bill.
I thought it sounded different.
Crack your window. Crack your window. Slow down a little bit. All right. Now nail it.
I like it. I don't know why I didn't.
Really, as soon as you get in the vehicle, as soon as you get in it and you start it up, you go straight down the mountain. And it's like in the wintertime, it sucks because the vehicle does not heat up until we come up this mountain, which is Pinnacle Rock, Pinnacle Mountain, I guess. I don't know. We just call it Pinnacle. But anyways, literally, so you only hear it to come up here. So all the way down the hill, nothing. Because it sounds, you know, it sounds quiet till you get on. And coming up, going out the straightaway, she really didn't hear it. And then she finally said, you know, because I was recording, because I wanted her to be like, is something wrong? I didn't want to be like, hey, you have the exhaust on your car.
I don't know
now.
why I didn't register with me.
That's what was in that box that I bought, but we didn't even, it was an X-pipe, and we didn't even use the X-pipe. We actually, he cut it off and made his own piping, which is pretty cool. So I've literally woke up, quote, quote, stole your car, took it and had the exhaust cut off, and it went on.
And I was sleeping.
Yeah, and you were sleeping. Well, we'll let her hear, we'll let her stand behind it, and she'll definitely hear it then. Go ahead, fire it up. You can hear a little difference, but not like an extreme amount. All right, go ahead and rev it up, son. I think she's happy with it. And I'll rev it up and let her.
I scared the cats.
It thing is loud. Like, it was like, don't turn it off, I'm gonna rev it for you. It was like a, it's not really a minivan. It's like a badass minivan. Not really, but
I don't want no minivan.
it's like a, I call it a hearse. It's like a,
Either.
well, it looks like a hearse, but here, you hold it, I'll rev it. Yeah, what you think about that?
I like it. I'm pleased with it. There you go, sir.
All right, guys. Well, if she likes it, then that's all that matters.
Success.
Well, she likes it. I couldn't have you know, the baby riding around in like a really quiet Durango. Couldn't have that. So we have exhaust work done on everything now.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you punch that subscribe button. This is Ghost.
And Katie.
There you go. And we are out of here. We're going to go inside and chill for a little bit because I think the rain is coming. And hopefully in the next couple vlogs, you'll see the first gen again. And I got some more parts for the old Dango coming in.